Okay, on the bench today is this mower, which hit something, and I've already replaced the flywheel key, and the blade adapter has been sheared off as well, and this is the new one. So I'm gonna put that in, and I'm not sure 100% if I have to remove that shroud or not to get the belt off, but we'll see. Let's work on it together. See if I can get some light. Wrong size, of course. That bit. Okay, now I've got the right size bit, and this is a 9/16 is what I use. I've already checked the blade and it's in pretty good shape. It looks like I can change this without having to remove that shroud, which is pretty unique. Usually got to remove that shroud. So you can see this one is ruined, and I don't want to let go of this belt. Well, I guess it's okay. The belt's going to stay there. See if you can see this one. There's the new one. Okay. Put that on. I'm just going to double check that it fits on the blade perfectly. Get that star pattern going, and it does, which you can see. Where's my... There. That's too easy. Whoops, gotta put the blade on the right side. Don't want to put it upside down like half customers do. Get it started and thread it, and then I'm gonna fit it into that star. I'm just gonna change positions here so I can reach it better. Fit it into that star like that. Thread it more. It's getting really tight, so I'll use my gun. I just want to double check and be really sure that I got it in the star, so I'm just going to loosen it off a bit. I think I got it. Put my glasses on. Okay, looks perfect to me. Of course, I got the spark plug undone. The blade's in good shape. It's ready to go. Okay, so this is now paperweight. And that's it. This is ready to come off and on to the next one.